Awesome. Let's get started. So first you can just type AWS CLI in Google and you will get to this link, AWS command line interface. All you need to do is just follow it for your operating system and then just install AWS CLI. And once you're done with that, just do the same thing, which is AWS SAM CLI, and follow the instructions for your operating system and then install SAM CLI. And once you're done with that, simply go and open your Windows or whatever operating system that you're on terminal, and just type AWS configure. And here I've already given access key ID, but essentially you can go to your AWS management console and go to IAM, identity and management service. You can come here and you can create a user here. You can create a user here, username, and give them programmatic access. So programmatic access creates a access key and secret key for you, and give the highest level of permissions if you are the only one using, or if you are giving it to other, then make sure that permissions include access to API gateway, Lambda, and other deployment things as necessary. But I've done that already. So simply what you see here, when you click on AWS configure, if you're doing it for the first time, give that access key ID, secret key ID, then default region, and the output format as well.